Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla cupcakes at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of whole milk. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth. Now let's create that perfect batter. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Then, gradually add the dry ingredients alternately with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Carefully spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, the fun part, decorating. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, prepare your favorite vanilla buttercream frosting. You can pipe it on using a pastry bag and a decorative tip, or simply spread it with an offset spatula for a rustic look. Add some colorful sprinkles or other edible decorations to make them extra special. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Now, enjoy your homemade, delicious vanilla cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.